Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. And I hope and pray that you all are in very good health. You are following the SOPs. You are not going into the gatherings. Please. I don't know how long it will go, but we have to keep ourselves safe and we have to keep others safe. So please follow the SOPs, and I hope you all are vaccinated up till now. I hope that is very important, and I hope that you all are vaccinated. We are going to start a lecture today, and though we are talking about ourselves, because that is very important, and because everything starts from ourselves. So today we are just going to do that again about ourselves. We did that earlier, very earlier before, but I thought we should do that again because ourselves, taking care of ourselves, knowing about ourselves, and looking after about ourselves is very important, because if we are well, if we are happy, we are energetic, we can take care of ourselves very nicely, and we can take care of the others who are around us very nicely, because others are very important for us. All our family, the friends, the people around us are also very important for us, so we need to take care of them as well. For that, we need to be fresh, healthy, and energetic. For that, we have to follow the SOPs. And another thing that you should know a little about yourself, how to tell about yourself, how to express about yourself, what you should know about yourself, and then we are going to discuss that, because that is going to be fun, right? So, but before I'm going to start, we'll watch a video. It's a wonderful video. You will definitely going to enjoy that. So I am just going to play that video. Okay, right. I have two videos for you to play.
Hello everyone, my name is Ali and I'm going to show you my life. And that's my house. Let's go to my house. That's my family and the living room we watch TV at. That's my school bus. I'm going to the school. Woo. And that's my school inside the city. Yeah, that's my classroom, and that's Mr. Omar, my teacher. And that's a park. I play with my friends there. And then this is my room. Yes.
Thank you, Ali. Now, Ali has told us a little about himself, his name, his home, his family, his school, and his teacher, and the park he goes to. So you should also know about yourself. Now, you are going to introduce us about yourself, a little about your home, a little about your family. But how can you do that right now? At the end of this lecture, you are going to draw a little drawing in which you're going to show all that. How do you see that? How do you perceive that? You're going to show it to us, right? So one more thing, I'm going to add that because we are going to make ourselves today, we're going to make the drawing. So everybody with me will be making a drawing of himself or herself. That would be very funny, but we are going to do that. Okay. So we are going to just see one more video, which is going to help you to know all about yourself, and you'll be explaining and telling about yourself. So we will watch that video. And hold on, and that is the other video. Yes, it's here. Yay.
Hello everyone, my name is Sana and my skin color is fair. My eyes are blue. I'm in my night suit at the moment and my chappals, but I want to change my clothes. I'm thinking what to wear. My hair is brown.
Okay, her hair is brown.
I am 8 years old.
She is 8 years old.
This jeans with a shirt and jacket. Jeans is black, jacket is black, and shirt is white. Or these shoes, black shoes. Or the skirt, which is black striped, and my inner shirt is white. Or this blue striped skirt. Or this red striped skirt. I like this pink striped skirt with black top and inner white. Let me change my shoes as well. No, not black. No. Yes, pink would do. They will match my clothes. Now I'm off to play.
Okay. Thank you, Sana. Thank you, Sana. Now, Sana was telling all about herself, her eyes, color of her eyes, the color of her hair, how old she is, what's her name, then what kind of clothes does she like, what kind of color does she like. She was telling all about herself. So, showing you this video is like that how you are going to explain about yourself one by one, and how you can tell about yourself. Now you can tell that verbally as well, like my name is Ali and I am 5 years old and my hair are brown. I go to school, I study in I study in kindergarten, and I live in Islamabad, or maybe Lahore, or maybe Karachi, or maybe somewhere else. So this is the way you should tell and explain about yourself, or otherwise you can even draw and explain that, right? So there are different ways to telling all about yourself. Maybe you can tell that verbally, right? Or you can just draw and tell. There are two ways to express yourself. So whatever is your favorite, we will be doing that. If you want to talk about yourself, we will be talking about. And then yes, you all have to draw a picture, a little about you and your house, and you, your home, and your family. Yes, how many family members do you have, how many siblings do you have, and a little about any one room which maybe you share, and that is a living room or maybe your lounge, in which all of the family members sit together. So you're going to tell us about that. So right now what we are going to do is we are going to draw ourselves. So you can also draw yourself, and that will be a little fun because obviously we cannot draw as like we are. So just by looking at ourselves, maybe you can put a mirror in front of you and you can draw yourself. So I will also draw myself, and you also take a piece of paper with your pencil, and you are going to draw yourself, and then at the end we will share, and we are going to show each other that what we have drawn. Okay, so I'm first of all I'm just drawing a face. I'm trying to like make myself. I don't know. I will just try if I am good at that, because I'm not good at like drawing faces. But we are just going to like it's just like expressing yourself a little, right? Okay. Maybe I'll not be That good? I look ugly? That's not a problem. I'll look at my nose. Oh my God. Hmm, my bad. Hmm. Yeah, looks good. Not bad. I'm just going to show you that. Hmm. A little upset, not very happy. So I've tried to make myself, right? Yes, then so you have to just draw yourself, right? Whatever, okay? So yes, I forgot to make ears. Ears, yes. And then at the end we will definitely make the here. And that's also important. Doesn't look like me. No, it does not look like me. But that's okay. Okay, so I have to make that. So I have to make here. Okay, make here because look. So if I'm going to make here, they could look horrible. Here look horrible. No, that's not me. God, this looks somebody else. Right? So, but that's okay. So you all have to draw yourself. Oh my God, I don't have that neck. I have a thick neck. No problem. This looked like a Negro, my God, but that's okay. I'm not happy with that, but that's okay. I'm not even unhappy with this picture. No, this does not look like me, but it's good. Yeah, it's good. So you all have to draw yourself, right? Just to have fun. And then we will be drawing some other family members of us as well. But I like it. Does it look like me? A little, maybe. Yeah, no. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to draw yourself, and then you are just going to draw a picture in which you show your home, your lounge, and then the people around it, and whatever is in your lounge. Maybe there is a TV lounge, or maybe there's just a living room. So whatever it is, you're just going to draw that, and then we will share and discuss about that, right? So this was a little about myself. We'll be doing a little more about myself in the next classes. Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye from this class till the next class, right? So please stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. So I'm going to say goodbye from this class now. Until we see each other, I'm going to say goodbye and Allah Hafiz.